I couldn't stay sober with the other methods I tried for more than maybe a month or two. So it was difficult for me to stop drinking, to say the least.
Jon Kostakopoulos is adamant he's been cured of his alcohol addiction, an addiction he spent the better part of a decade attempting to get out from under. Cured thanks to the unconventional, but in his opinion, highly effective use of psychedelics.
To put it into perspective, I took this in 2015, and I haven't had a drink since, let alone craved a drink.
Kostakopoulos was one of the first enrollees in an NYU trial studying the effectiveness of psychedelics like psilocybin to reduce dependency on alcohol. The hospital is also researching its effects on major depression and terminal cancer. These trials are a component of the new NYU Langone Center for Psychedelic Medicine.
The goal of our center is to come up with novel treatments for difficult to treat disorders that have a big public health impact.
Dr. Stephen Ross is one of the founders of the clinic. He's been studying psychedelics for 15 years. This is not a bad mushroom trip at a concert or even ayahuasca.
What people are getting in concerts or on the underground, or who knows what it is. It could be the drug, it could be not, it could be adulterated with all kinds of things. It may be safe, it might not be safe. So we know we're giving people exactly, we know exactly what we're giving. We know that it's safe.
According to Dr. Ross, patients like Jon go through an extensive screening process before being given the drug.
They gave me a pill, and that was pure psilocybin.
For Jon, his trip started with headphones and a blindfold. It wasn't long before he confronted his addiction head on.
I saw a glass liquor bottle in the middle of the desert. And then all of a sudden, the glass disintegrated into the sand. And I just thought that was a, very profound symbolism of my addiction leaving me.
The hope is for many, it'll shift their insight and get them to think in a different way. For Jon, it changed his life. NYU hopes to enter phase 3 of their trials in the next 6 to 12 months. Then it plans to petition the FDA to reconsider psychedelics as Schedule I drugs. In the newsroom, Teresa Priolo, Fox 5 News.